tell you, listen, folks, this is not the time to be cute with each other about what in the hell is going on. Everything is okay. We're headed for a soft landing. Things are, they're about to pick up. Are you sure? Check out this graph.
The pink line at the bottom is us. We're 27% lower than this point last year, and last year's production was a dog that took out nearly 20% of all realtors and a city size of loan officers along with a bunch of mortgage companies. We're 27% worse than that.
You guys gotta get your together right now. Now, what I'm about to tell you is, why the hell is this not the biggest story in the country right now, especially because it's an election year? Now listen very, very close, people, and share it. Before I share this information with you, one good thing about a crisis is that people are looking for help. So don't get depressed about what we're talking about here. If you can help, you can eat. Professionally speaking, of course. Now listen to this crazy information.
During 1930, a pivotal year in the Great Depression, the average salary for a single person was $4,887. Now, when adjusted for inflation, that corresponds to approximately $88,000 in today's dollars. But according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median income today is $54,132 a year.
And you thought a couple of years ago that just printing all that money up and just passing out handout after handout of trillions and trillions of dollars wasn't gonna have any long-term effect. Well, that was the party, and here's the hangover. I mean, this is nuts. It's nuts, but it's our reality.
This is nuts.
So the question is, what can you do?
Yeah, but what are you gonna do?
For starters, clear communication on the problems and objectives, and then work only on one thing at a time. You ever heard of that before? The one thing you can do to help, and by extension, help yourself, as we've said, and we'll keep saying, this insurance thing. This insurance thing right now is getting crazy and crazier by the minute. And in cases like we're seeing out here in California, Florida, and some other areas of the country, it's totally avoidable. To put it plainly, insurance policies right now are killing the housing market, period. Both new and existing. But there is opportunity here, my friends. For example,
according to the Wall Street Journal, in Florida, homeowners are increasingly foregoing home insurance. They're gambling that the likelihood of a disaster isn't high enough to justify the cost of a policy. Some skipping insurance say they're doing so because they can no longer afford the rising premiums.
Oh, and by the way, the same thing with insurance holds true in California and really a whole bunch of other states. Now, this might help. How desperate in Florida do you have to be to drop your insurance? Especially for seniors, right? As we know, I'm telling you, I see it with my mom, age makes people more fearful. So, now that we have this information,
what does that tell us, doctor?
Number one, Florida is home to lots of senior citizens. Number two, they're dropping insurance. Now, these are likely seniors who own homes free and clear. And three, cost over better judgment. Seniors in homes free and clear who know they need insurance but can't afford it due to rising premiums, inflation, and their fixed income. These are all truths for this moment in time.
What does that tell you?
Remember we were talking about helping people? This is your opportunity to help. Where do you fit in? Reverse mortgages. Don't call them reverse mortgages, though. It's got a bad name association.
Stop calling it that.
What? Call them federally insured retirement loans. Seriously. Or call them federally insured senior advantage loans. Hi, I'm Brian Stevens. We know many seniors are struggling with rising insurance premiums right now who are currently on a fixed income. Have you heard of the federally insured Seniors Advantage loan that will help free up cash to properly insure your home and allow you to breathe a little easier? Would you like to hear how this whole thing works? My God, there's so much subtlety in what I just said there. It would absolutely work. And it's all true, by the way. See, it's sales, you numbskull. So take the BS self-righteous voice that's yapping at you in the back of your head right now that's telling you otherwise, because it's not. This is sales and you're a salesperson. Last fact to support this point in case you're not on board already.
12% of homeowners in the U.S. don't purchase homeowners insurance. About half of them have an annual household income of less than $40,000, according to a 2023 survey by Insurance Information Institute, an industry trade group, and the reinsurer Munich Re.
We don't have inventory, rates are high. Where is there a need? It's seniors right now on fixed income. They're the ones who own all these houses, and they own them free and clear, and they need to free up cash right now because, like we told you, less now than the Great freaking Depression. How about this? Maybe you can help somebody who went through the Great Depression once again, but today. Hope this helps, and I hope you get off your ass and actually do something. Bye. Hey, listen, as a loan officer, if you're looking for solutions right now and you're hearing the same stuff from the same people year in and year out, regardless of market conditions, you might want to look into Pods, what we have going on over here. Loan officers source solutions for loan officers. What could possibly be better? Oh, and it's killing it. If you want to get on our waiting list, because that's what it is at this point, a waiting list, fill out the information down below and my team will get a hold of you.